Opa! Γεια σας! Και καλώς ήρθατε στην κουζίνα μου! Today we're making an easy and delicious pasta dish. First up, get some water boiling, add some olive oil so the pasta doesn't stick as it's cooking, and then a good couple of pinches of salt for flavor. And now we add the fettuccine pasta in. It says 6 minutes cooking time. The fettuccine pasta has been cooking for around 6 minutes and it looks ready. We'll need a non-stick pan, medium to high heat. Let's add some olive oil. And now the garlic. We want to cook the garlic just for a few seconds to infuse the oil with that amazing flavor. Next, toss in the onions and let them cook just for a few seconds to soften up. Now, in goes the minced chicken. It's a solid chunk right now, so let's break it down as it's cooking. You really want to take your time here and get it as fine as possible. The smaller the pieces, the better the chicken will absorb all the juices and flavors later on. Now we add a good couple of pinches of salt for seasoning and follow that up with a nice pinch of black pepper for a little kick. I want a really fine texture, so I'm just breaking up those last few clumps with my spoon. Now that the chicken is perfectly broken up, let's drop in the bacon. Give it a good mix around. As the bacon cooks down, the chicken is going to absorb all its incredible flavor. In goes the corn. It adds a touch of sweetness and a great little crunch to the dish. Next, we add the green peas. They add a perfect splash of color and a bright, fresh flavor. Let's give everything a good mix and let those flavors cook together for just a few seconds. We add a bit of tomato sauce straight into the middle of the pan. Let it cook there for a couple of seconds to bring out its flavor. As soon as the tomato sauce cooks for a couple of seconds, mix everything around with everything. Now, pour in the heavy cream and let it come to a simmer. This is going to transform everything into a rich, velvety sauce that will stick perfectly to our pasta. Now that it's simmering, toss in 3 giant pinches of Parmesan cheese to thicken it all up and add that incredible savory flavor. Give it all a good mix until the cheese melts completely, and then we are ready to add the pasta. Drop the pasta straight in and give it a good mix, so every single piece gets coated in that beautiful sauce. As soon as you give everything a really good mix, you are ready to serve. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.